Hi, in this video I want to show you how to measure the distance and angles of objects to high precision. The maximum precision of Autocad uses 8 decimals, so I'll show you how that works. So if I draw an arbitrary line um, from an arbitrary point, let's make it at 1.1234567 and I'm gonna add a ninth place, number 9, and I'm gonna draw an angle of 30 degrees, 0.1234567 8. And then if I return this line and I wanted to get the XYZ coordinates or the length of the line, one way of doing it is using the dist command, dist, say from endpoint to endpoint. But here we see it's only listing 4 decimal place accuracy. It's omitting the 8 decimal, the 9 decimal that I entered, but internally it keeps it to 8 decimals. And it's omitting all the decimals from the angular measurement. To change that, there's a command called, you can also, that's also the case if we list a line using the list command, list. We list the XYZ coordinates. Again, it shows you 4 decimal place accuracy. If we need more, there's a command called LU, linear unit, PREC, precision. And we change that, the default is 4, we change it to 8. It won't allow you to change it to 9. 8 is the maximum. And we change the angular units, AU, PREC, from 0 to 8. And now we could measure this line using the dist command, say from the endpoint to endpoint, and we see it shows 8 decimal place accuracy. Likewise, if I list it, it shows us 8 decimal place accuracy. It took the 8, 9 and rounded the 8 to a 9 because, again, Autocad uses 8 decimal place precision accuracy at most. So the precision is 8 decimal places. And likewise for the angle, here are the 8 decimal places. If we wanted to get the same precision but we forget about the LU or AU precision command, so let's change it back to 4. LU PREC, and let's change it back to 4 by default, and AU PREC to 0. And say I draw a reference line from the endpoint here, just at an angle 0. And I wanted to get the high precision that I may need. Another way of doing is going to the Annotate tab and physically measuring the line. So it shows you 4 decimals by default, and for the angle it shows you no decimals. But here we could just right click on the dimension and go to the properties, and in the primary units, one of the properties attributes is precision. We could select the 8 decimal place accuracy. Likewise for the 30 degrees, if we go to primary units and go precision, maximum precision, it'll show us the full 8 decimal place accuracy. But the short way of doing it again is LU PREC, change the 4 to an 8, AU PREC, change the 0 to an 8. The longer way is by physically taking measurements using the dimensions. But that's all I wanted to show. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.